This evening, during the first night of the rodeo and during the fireworks demonstration, one fireworks left its stand and went into and above the crowd of spectators. We had 6 persons who reported minor injuries, burn injuries. There were no transports to the hospital. Everybody was released at scene with some advice to continue to look after their minor burns. One shell misfired, and instead of going straight up, it went out at about a 30-degree angle from its origin, and unfortunately went out into the crowd spectator area. There were both adults and children and those who were assessed on scene. We have a number of paramedics from the fire department here. We have an ambulance on scene. We had fire engines on scene, just in a ready state for the fireworks show itself. So there was absolutely no delay in getting them first aid and having them assessed by a paramedic from the fire department. This is the 49th year of this rodeo. Last year there was a small incident one night as well, but there were no injuries from that incident. The larger message here is for those at home, those who are preparing to enjoy the 4th of July, that we have a very, very dry season right now. We have high temperatures, the humidity is beginning to drop, and so the danger from fireworks for yards and brush around the home and dry grasses is very high. We just need to be very vigilant of those types of fires and use a lot of caution when using fireworks. Use them the way they're intended, in a safe and sane way, by adults.